Today, we're diving into the DSC LCD-4501 MAXSYS Programmable Message LCD Keypad. This keypad is designed with versatility in mind, offering a sleek LCD display that provides intuitive control over your security system. One of its standout features is the programmable messaging capability, allowing you to customize alerts and notifications to suit your specific needs. Installation is straightforward for those familiar with security systems, although newcomers might find the initial setup a bit daunting. Once installed, navigating through the keypad's menus is relatively intuitive, thanks to its clear display and well-labeled buttons that in terms of functionality. The LCD-4501 performs admirably, providing quick access to system status, arming-disarming options, and zone information. The backlighting is adequate for nighttime use without being overly bright. Build quality is solid, typical of DSC products, with a durable keypad that feels reliable in everyday use. The buttons have a satisfying click, adding to the overall user experience. However, one potential downside is the lack of touchscreen capability, which some users might prefer for modern convenience. Additionally, while the LCD display is clear, the resolution could be sharper for displaying detailed messages. Overall, the DSC LCD-4501 MAXSYS Programmable Message LCD Keypad is a solid choice for homeowners and businesses looking for a reliable security system interface. Its customizable messaging and robust build make it a worthy addition to any security setup, offering peace of mind with its responsive functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.